We've been hearing that rain really coming down tonight, and it's even leading to flooding in some areas in western Massachusetts.
Yes, it has. 22 News reporter Christina Demores joins us live in Northampton this evening with a look at current conditions there. Christina, wet there.
I'm on Main Street in Northampton where the rain is still coming down. Not as hard as earlier, but it's still coming down and the wind is picking up slightly. According to Northampton police, there is flooding on some parts of Main Street, Elm Street, and North Street. Earlier this evening, Eversource reported some power outages in Northampton, but no reports of storm damage so far. A weather advisory has been issued to western Massachusetts counties, including a wind advisory for Hampden and Berkshire County. Wind gusts of 50 miles per hour are expected, which could cause some damage to trees and wires. Drivers are cautioned to take it easy on the roads this evening as highways and streets are slicker and there are minor flooding in some roads. The wind advisory will be in effect in the Berkshires until 10 p.m. tonight and in Hampden County until 1 a.m. Tuesday. 22 News will keep you updated on storm damage on air and online at wwlp.com. Working for you live in Northampton, Christina Demores, 22 News.